To solve this question, we need to substitute in our known variables x and y into our equation so that we can evaluate its value. But before we do that, one of our known variables includes our other variable, and so we need to simplify that down first. What we need to do is grab our x and plug it into our y function. So we have 3 times x, which is 11, divided by 11. And what's interesting here is that these two 11s will actually cancel out. 11 divided by 11 will just give us 1. So this is the same thing as 3 times 1, which is just 3. So y is equal to 3 and x is equal to 11. And now we can continue solving the question. We have 4 times x, which is 11, plus 1 divided by 4 times y, which is 3 minus 3. And that's being added to the same thing, but flipped. So we'll have 4 times 3 minus 3 in our numerator. See how these are diagonally equal to each other. And then 4 times 11 plus 1. The same thing we had in our numerator in the previous fraction. And now we can begin to evaluate. So let's start to simplify. We can first simplify these two since these are the exact same. The same math will be applied to both. 4 times 11 would give us 44, plus 1 would give us 45. So we have 45 in this numerator plus 45 in this denominator. Then the denominator of this fraction and the numerator of this fraction would go like this. 4 times 3 will give us 12, minus 3 would give us 9. So we'll have 9 in the denominator here and 9 in the numerator here. Now we just need to simplify these two fractions before we can add them together. 45 divided by 9, 9 goes evenly into 45, 5 times. Plus, and before we start simplifying this, if we take a quick peek at our answer choices, we can see that there's only one possible option. We know that this fraction is going to be less than 1, right? Our numerator is less than our denominator. So our whole number is going to be 5, and the only answer choice with 5 as a whole number is answer choice D. That is enough information for you to mark D as your correct answer and move on with the rest of the test to save time. But for the sake of the video, I'll show you exactly why D is correct. Now let's simplify our second fraction. We can pull out the greatest common factor, which would be 9 from the numerator and denominator. 9 divided by 9 will give us 1, and 45 divided by 9 will give us 5. 1/5 simplified into a decimal would give us 0.2. So 5 plus 0.2 would give us 5.2, making answer choice D our correct answer.